Hi guys, I just arrived 5 minutes ago. Shannon's not dead, I'm not dead. We are very much alive. The entrance looks worse than I thought. I thought this would be a bit better. But then on the other hand, this actually, believe it or not, looks better than I thought. It's not that bad. It's pretty bad, but it's only about 2 meters high. It's been twice that before, so I'm happy. I'm not going to bore you with the garden. I didn't bring any microphones. I hope the audio is decent. I am going to update you what has happened and what is going to happen in the near future. Stay tuned. Yeah, hi guys, that's the house. It's been a while, well over 6 months I think, and the reason for that is there hasn't been any progress. And why? Well, in April we were supposed to have a court case for the window situation. Well, that didn't happen because he didn't show up. His lawyer didn't show up, and I think the lawyer fired himself. So that's great. Not the judge postponed the case for another 6 months until mid-October, which is bad news. Just dragging on. It's been well over 3 years now. It's getting ridiculous. But that's it. I could spend time working in the basement. It's been 46 degrees Celsius, which is 115 or thereabouts. It's crazy, and it's 9 o'clock in the evening now, and it's 33 degrees, which is 95 or whatever. Very, very warm. So I'm quite happy I'm not working in the basement. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't have the microphone, so I'm sorry about that. Just wanted to update you on what's been going on. I've been getting quite a lot of messages asking where we are, if everything is okay. Everything is more than fine. We are super happy. I just want to spend time with my daughter. I have this one opportunity to do that right now. Her first year is never going to be here again, but the basement will be. So we decided to take a break, much needed break, and that's it. It's just a small update. We are going to finish the house. It's all going to be on the channel. We're not going anywhere. Everything will be uploaded here in time. Not sure when, but it will be happening. And I hope you guys stick around for it. With that, I'm going to end it. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and don't unsubscribe. We will be back with more uploads. We will finish the house. But until then, I hope you're all well. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until next time. Ciao.